Hello guys, this is John of Art, and our Ilonggo word for today is a pretty long word. It's makatilingalahan. In other words, a wonder. So something that's amazing, something that amazes you. Tingala. The root word is tingala, meaning wonder. So it makes you wonder. It makes you wonder in amazement. So tingala, and something that is wonderful or awesome or amazing is makatilingalahan. Makatilingalahan. Oh my goodness! I didn't know it's made up of 7 syllables. Makatilingalahan. Just remember the root word tingala. That is why I always tell you the root word, because it's a very long word just by itself. So why am I discussing makatilingalahan? Because of this broom. This broom is silhig in Ilonggo. And what's this? Well, I saw a Facebook post by one of my friends saying that today, of all days, according to a NASA scientist, that the gravitational pull is so strong that a broom can actually stand like this one. So it's makatilingalahan. So I tried it, and it's standing on its own. Um, well, I'm not sure really. So I tried, and it did stand. So show you some of the videos. Okay, let's try, like, okay, just one. Yeah, whoop. Oh my goodness, there it is. Shucks, I thought it would fall down, but look at that. Seriously? Oh, okay. I don't want to spoil this, but I have to, and so that we can try again if it will really stand the test. Okay, so tumba. So when it fell down, it's natumba, or just tumba. Try it again. Tilawanta. And whoa. Well, it's not maybe. Oh, nah. Nah, so maybe it's just a trick. Okay. Oh, oh, look at that. Okay. Well, I think now for the Snopes guys, so what I think is that it it's not just because today of all days, well, of course there's a full moon, but maybe it's not really the gravitational pull, but just the way you you put the broom on the floor that makes it in such a way that it's makatilingalahan, that it can stand on its own like that. So maybe the angle and the way you place it on the floor like that, and it just stands like that. Anyway, this is John of Art, and just doing this. Maybe this is a prank, maybe this really happens, so I don't know. But just for us to discuss an Ilonggo word, remember, makatilingalahan. This is John Ward, and see you once again in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. There it is again. There. Wow. Amazing. Oh, diba? Paintbrush, and broom. Look at that. Paintbrush and broom. Paintbrush, broom. Paintbrush, broom. O, diba? Dalawa na sila. Dalawa na sila. Ang saya-saya. I'm so happy.